All-in-one Web2Print onboarding made easier. We know you're excited to learn about all-in-one Web2Print, and to make your implementation journey easier, we have added a few easy-to-follow guidelines, checklists, and training videos to your dashboard itself. Let's have a look. As you can see, we have added links for easy-to-access self-training videos for you and your team to understand how this product works. You also can now access our support portal or create any ticket from within your account whenever needed. This will allow you to get help with any technical issues you experience with your account, as well as get access to new features and content. Moreover, we have added other useful links, such as ebooks, webinars, and more. You'll also get hints, as you can see here, at every stage where you can watch the training video to understand what you need to do at which stage. Finally, we have added a feedback option for you to share anything with us quickly. We value your opinion highly and will always respond promptly when we hear from you. Also, so you don't miss anything, you will be directed to a checklist that will help you keep a check on everything that needs to be done while onboarding. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. Visit us on www.designbay.com or contact us on inquiry@designbay.com to learn more about us. Thank you.